Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a pop-up image when moving the mouse over any Excel sheet cell. Let's start our video. We have this Excel sheet here. The goal is to add a pop-up image to the first cell. Right-click on the cell, scroll down and select Insert Comment. Delete any existing text. Move the mouse to the edge of the comment box, and when the cursor changes to a four-sided arrow, right-click. Scroll down and select Format Comment. A dialog box will appear with several options. Select the Colors and Lines tab. Open the drop-down list next to Color, then choose Fill Effects. Go to the Picture tab and click Select Picture. Choose from a file. Double-click any picture you want to use. Then click OK and again click OK. You can resize the picture as you like. Now you have a pop-up image that appears when you move the mouse over the cell. I repeated the same steps for all the cells. Now I have a pop-up image for each cell. And that's it. If you think the video was helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.